Today we look at how to create a simple bass for the music. First you open up the project. Now to create this simple bass you have to access the piano roll. So you can do this by clicking this rectangle here next to clean guitar. You'll be able to see your notes, and now you have to scroll down. You notice here that the note here is C, so you can actually try using the C note here to correlate with that C in the beginning, but it's not always the case. So you put a bass here on the left hand side. It's C3. As I said, the left hand is your bass, and these notes here are considered as your right hand, so your left hand is here actually. So you can check how it sounds like the bass. It sounds low enough. So now we check the music on the song editor with the drums. Sounds alright. So okay, this is how you create a simple bass for your music. Thank you.